Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. This video will tackle the toe kick joints found in cabinet construction methods. Once again, these joints act in almost the same way for both framed and frameless cabinets, so these options will be covered as one. We will begin with the toe kick to case joints category, which controls how toe kick parts are connected to sides and backs. If your cabinet shop uses separate toe kick boxes, then the sides and backs typically do not touch toe kick pieces, and therefore you can skip this category. If you expect your cabinet sides or backs to extend to the toe kick area, then continue with this part of the setup. The first subcategory is the front toe kick piece. The most common side is the unfinished side, so we will start with that. Extend toe kick to side will place the toe kick piece on top of the unfinished side notch. Extend side to toe kick front will capture the toe piece inside the sides instead. Parts connection then allows to apply a joint between the two parts. For this video, we will pick extend toe kick to side and leave the joint at the default setting, meaning the toe kick piece will simply butt on top of the side's notch. If the unfinished side has no notch, then it is a full panel and the front toe kick full unfinished side connection is activated. In such a case, the toe kick is necessarily captured by the sides. A connection other than butt can be assigned to this joint in the same way, though we will keep it at the default in our example. Repeat these decisions for the toe unfinished side connection as well. Moving on to the front toe kick side panel, you have more possibilities. Connect toe kick to side panel will extend the toe on top of the subside's toe notch, but captured inside the side panel or applied false door. Extend toe kick to side panel creates a full width toe piece to cover possible side panel notches. Connect toe kick to subside captures the toe inside the subside, and miter toe kick with side panel miters the piece into the outside panel. If the subside is not notched, then the front toe kick full subside activates in the same way as with the unfinished side. Finally, if a cabinet partition is extended to the floor, then the front toe kick partition connection is used. The side toe kick options determine how the side pieces connect to the back. Side toe parts can either be unfinished or finished, and the same goes for the back. We will start with the first configuration. Connect toe kick to notched back creates a notch into the back to match the side recess, but places the side pieces inside the back. Connect toe kick to full back does the same, but prevents the notch from being cut into the back. Extend side toe kick to back creates the notch again, but sends the toe kick to be flush to the back, whereas extend side toe kick to wall stretches the toe piece past the back to the overall case back. Any of these can have special joints like dados applied, though we will leave ours at the default. The same options apply for the other side toe kick joints. Back toe kick joints follow through in the same way. If we look at the back toe kick finished side, we can extend side to toe kick back to create a notch into the back of the side and capture the back piece. Extend side to wall to do the same, but keep a full side panel without a notch, or extend toe kick to frame, or extend toe kick to side to create the notch and apply the toe on top, or miter to miter the parts together at the back recess value so that no additional seam is present. Back toe kick unfinished side has the same options except the miter. Back toe kick side panel can either have the back toe piece connect to the back of the subside with a toe notch, or connect the back toe piece to the inside of the subside. Back toe kick partition has only one orientation and can have connections like dados assigned to the joint. Sleepers manages the connection between the sleeper supports and the cabinet back should the back panel extend to the toe area. We will leave these at the default none for a butt joint. The toe kick joints category handles connections between the toe parts themselves. The first group is front toe kick, where the front toe is told how it will interact with side toe kicks. For unfinished side, the front toe can connect the inside of the side or the front of the sides, or can extend past the toe piece to the side or the frame of the cabinet. Front toe, finished side toe has the same options, but with the additional possible miter configuration. The back toe kick section has much of the same options. The back toe can extend on top of the side toe or even past it, or it can be captured flush inside the side toe. It also has the option of extend side toe kick to wall to have the back toe kick inset inside the side pieces. The finished side toe kick can also be mitered into the back toe kick pieces if required. Sleepers can indicate how the supports connect to the front and back toes. Once again, there's only one orientation with the sleepers connected to the inside edge of the front and back toes. The final subgroup is the toe kick top, which is relevant for users who have a separate toe kick box with a toe top construction. The possible toe top constructions are stretchers, web frames, or gussets. They each get 4 connections to set how they interact with the front, back, and side toe kicks. These connections have only one orientation each, capturing the top constructions within the toe kick box. Toe kick joints are the last connections for outer cabinet parts. The next construction videos will focus on how internal cabinet parts connect to adjacent pieces. Thank you, and we will see you then. To view additional video tutorials, please visit www.cabbuildersoftware.com/training.